This is Divya, and I'm here to explain the vending machine that I have designed using Simulink. First, let's see the necessities of this vending machine. It has to accept coins of rupees 1, 2, and rupees 5, and even higher values. And it has to sell items priced rupees 3, and it has to dispense the item, and it must have a cancel button. It must have a cancel button. When the user presses this cancel button, it has to return the total amount of money. Now let's see the input slots. It has an insert coin slot and a cancel order slot. And when it comes to the output displays, we have a balance money display, we have an item dispenser display, which indicates 1 when the user receives the item and 0 when user doesn't receive the item, and an return amount display, which displays the total amount when the order is cancelled, and an insufficient fund display, which signals 1 when there is insufficient fund, 0 when there is sufficient fund. Now let's look into the use cases in this vending machine. Now let's take rupees 5, and there is no cancelling of order. Now let's run the simulation. Yeah, as you can see, we have got the item. So in this dispense item display, 1 is displayed, and then in this balance money we got 2. Now let's look into the second case. Let's enter value 6, and we are gonna cancel the order, so we are entering 1. Now let's run the simulation. As you can see, we have cancelled the order, so we received the total amount of money in this return amount. Now let's look into the third case, where I will be entering insufficient amount of money and not cancelling the order. We can see that as we have inserted insufficient amount of money in this display, we have been notified by value 1. It indicates it is an having insufficient fund. Now let's look into the fourth test case, like insufficient fund and order cancelling. In this total amount, return amount, we have received the full amount as we are cancelling the order. Now let's look into the state machine. Here there is ideal state, accept entry, enough dispense entry, and then insufficient fund, provide change, and then cancel state. X indicates the amount, input amount, and Y indicates whether the order is being cancelled or not. Thank you.